Hello, 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 how are you? Hello, 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 how are you? Hello friends, welcome to Circle Time in Miss April's classroom. My name is Miss April. What's your name? I am so excited that you joined me today. We have a lot to learn in Circle Time. Let's start with our weather song. What is the weather, the weather, the weather? What is the weather today? Is it sunny? Is it cloudy? Is it rainy? Is it snowy? What is the weather today? Okay, friends, it's time to look out of our weather window so we can see what the weather is today. Ready? Ooh, what's the weather like today? It's a rainy day. Can you help me make a weather sentence? Perfect. First, we'll need to pick out a weather picture. Can you help me? Which picture shows a rainy day? If you chose this picture, you are correct. This picture shows a dark cloud with rain falling from it. It represents a rainy day. Let's add it to our weather sentence. Okay, now let's read our weather sentence together. The weather is rainy. Great, let's read it one more time. The weather is rainy. Perfect, you just read today's weather sentence. Now it's time to sing about our rainy day. Ready? Rainy, 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 it is rainy today. R-A-I-N-Y, rainy, it is rainy today. Awesome! Okay, now it's time to get Perry the polar bear dressed for a rainy day. What should Perry the polar bear wear when it's raining outside? Can you share some ideas? Thank you so much for sharing. Those are some great ideas. On a rainy day, Perry should wear his rain gear. That means he should wear a raincoat, rain pants, rain boots, and he even needs something to protect his head, like an umbrella. So let's go ahead and put Perry's rain gear on. We'll start with his rain pants. What color are Perry's rain pants? They are yellow. Good job. Let's put the yellow rain pants on Perry. Perfect. Now he needs to put on his raincoat. What colors are on Perry's raincoat? He has a yellow raincoat with red pockets. The ends of the sleeves are red, and there's a red zipper in the middle. So his raincoat is red and yellow. Let's go ahead and put his raincoat on. Perfect. Now he needs his shoes. What kind of shoes should Perry wear on a rainy day? He should wear his rain boots. He has yellow rain boots to match the rest of his clothes. Let's put the yellow rain boots on Perry. Perfect. Now, all he needs is something to protect his head. Do you remember what we can use to protect our head on a rainy day? If you said an umbrella, I agree. Let's give Perry his umbrella. Now he's ready for the rainy day. Thank you so much for helping get Perry the polar bear dressed for our rainy day. Now it's time to move on to our letter of the week. We are learning a new letter this week. This letter makes the R sound. Can you make that sound with me? R. Good job. Let's practice it one more time. R. Perfect. Okay, the way we write the R sound is by using the letter R. Our letter of the week is the letter R. We use the letter R when we want to write the R sound. Okay, let's add the letter R to our board. There we go. Our letter of the week is R. We just said that R makes the R sound. Let's take a look at something that starts with the letter R. That means it starts with the R sound. Are you ready? Oh, what do you see? It's a rabbit. I know that rabbit starts with the letter R because I hear the R sound at the beginning. Listen, rabbit. Did you hear it? Listen one more time. Rabbit. Did you hear the R sound? Fantastic. This week we're going to be learning all about the letter R. But for now, it's time to practice reading our word of the day. Let's see what our word of the day is. Oh, I see the letters M, O, and M. Okay, now it's time to sound out our word. Do you remember what sound the letter M makes? It makes the sound. Okay, let's move on to the letter O. What sound does the letter O make? It makes the ah sound. Good job. Oh, and we have another M. What sound does it make? Okay, now it's time to sound the word out. Ready? Ah, Let's do it a little faster this time. Ah, Ooh, a little faster. Ah, ah, What word is our word of the day? Mom. Do you know what it is? Mom. Our word of the day is mom. Hey, look, there's a picture of a mom. Great work, friends. You read our word of the day. If you had a little trouble, it's okay. We're going to practice every day. And the more you practice, the better you'll get. Reading words takes a lot of practice and hard work. So don't give up if you didn't get it. Okay, now that we've read our word, it's time to move on to our number of the week. Let me show you this week's number. Here it is. Do you know what number this is? It's the number 8. Can you say 8? Perfect. Okay, I need your help. Can you help me count to the number 8? Awesome. That means when we say 8, we need to stop. So when you hear the number 8, you have to stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stop! I heard the number 8. We just counted to the number 8. Let's put the number 8 on our circle time board. Okay, this week we will be counting 8 stars. We're going to put 8 stars in the sky. Do you think you can help? Great. Okay, let's count the 8 stars together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, good, 6, 7, 8. Hey, We just said the number 8. That means we have 8 stars. Let's count them one more time just to be sure. I like to point when I count. It helps me keep track of what I've already counted. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 stars in our sky. Great job, friends. You helped me count to our number of the week, the number 8. Okay, now it's time to move on to our color of the week. This week, we're reviewing some colors we've already learned. Let me show you today's color. Do you remember the name of this color? It's pink. Awesome job. Today, we are going to sing our pink song, and then we're going to look for objects that are pink. Let's start with our pink song. Are you ready to sing it? Great. Let's sing it together. Cotton candy, fat pink pigs, girls with socks and bows. P-I-N-K, P-I-N-K, that is how it goes. Bubble gum, valentines, these are all pink too. Pink icing and pink balloons, we can spell, can you? Great work singing, friends. Let's try it one more time. Cotton candy, fat pink pigs, girls with socks and bows. P-I-N-K, P-I-N-K, that is how it goes. Bubble gum, valentines, these are all pink too. Pink icing and pink balloons, we can spell, can you? You did it! You sang our pink song. Okay, now it's time to sort objects. We are going to put all of the pink objects in the circle. And if the object is not pink, we'll leave it right where it is. Are you ready? Let's take a look at our pictures. The first picture I see is a pig. Is the pig pink? If you said yes, you are correct. Let's move the pink pig to the circle. Okay, let's look at the butterfly. Is the butterfly pink? No, the butterfly is not pink. We'll leave it right where it is. Our next picture is a bird. Is the bird pink? No, the bird is not pink. We'll leave the bird right where it is. Ooh, next we have a flamingo. Is the flamingo pink? Yes, the flamingo is pink. Let's move the flamingo to the circle. Next we have strawberry ice cream. Is the ice cream pink? Yes, the ice cream is pink. Let's move the pink strawberry ice cream to the circle. Okay, our last picture is a cupcake. Is the cupcake pink? No, the cupcake is not pink. We'll leave it right where it is. Great job sorting, friends. You sorted all the pink objects into the circle. And if the object wasn't pink, you left it right where it was. Awesome practice. Okay, now it's time to move on to our shape of the week. Are you ready to see this week's shape? Here it is. This is our shape of the week. It's an octagon. Can you say that with me? Octagon. Great job. Let's see how many sides an octagon has. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many sides does an octagon have? An octagon has 8 sides. Hey, that's our number of the week. Perfect. Okay, now it's time to count the corners. Let's see how many corners an octagon has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many corners does an octagon have? An octagon has 8 corners. We just learned that an octagon has 8 sides and 8 corners. This week, we are going to learn all about the octagon. Let's take a look at something that's the shape of an octagon. Ready? Oh, what's this? It's a stop sign. I know that a stop sign is an octagon because it has 8 sides and 8 corners. Hey, that's it for our circle time board. That means it's time to take a brain break. After your brain break, you need to go to part 2 of today's videos. That's when we learn all about this week's theme. So make sure you join me for part 2 after you take your brain break. See you for our daily message time. Bye. Hi friends, make sure you watch part 2 of today's videos. It's our daily message time, and that's when we learn all about this week's theme. Also, if you enjoyed this video, click the like button. And if you would like to see more videos from Miss April's classroom, make sure you click subscribe.